Ghost Team Airsoft, and today I'm gonna do a voiceover of the video that I took on last Sunday. So right now we're going through the first game, and my girlfriend, she's playing against me. She kills me right there in the beginning of the video. Then the second game, I just decided to go out myself and kill the two guys left. So in the third game, we're just running up, taking cover, just telling her move out. We all talking Spanish. We're Hispanic. Everybody's Cuban. So that's how we flow, I guess. So right now, I just using my sidearm, close quarter. So in this game, both of my teammates are taken down. So it's just me left. I decided to go to another room by myself and wait for them to come, and that's how I take both of the guys. The first guy, I just do bang bang on him. Then now I'm just waiting for the second guy. When he comes out, I just took out my pistol and shot him real quick. And that's it for the third game. There you go.
I got your cousin. Dale, quédense ahí, quédense ahí. Esta vez vemos mail.
So what happened right here was that my girlfriend gets taken down, then me and my other friend just trying to see where the guy was. He just flanked us right there. So we just died. So now the next one, just moving up, going up to them, being aggressive, not staying back. So this game is actually pretty long.
Reloading.
So right there, she just got 2 kills. So I just decided to put it on the video so you guys can see it. So then again, we're moving up, just moving forward all the time. So my friend, I give him my sidearm, so he goes with his sidearm also. And since he's too close to the enemy, he don't want to shoot at him, so he just called him out.
¿Y qué pasó? ¿Te cogió? Ya le dieron.
So now in this part of the video, I just decided to get my sidearm, just run out, quick, rushing through the map. So I see this black hole and I hear him talking, so I'm like, just searching for him. So right here, I see this one guy, so I shoot him at him twice. And I got him, but he just decided to go at me and shoot at me again. So his friend came at me and got me. Now that's all the video. My friend just made out like a riot shield, I guess. And he was just running up the whole time. We were taking cover from him. We like to move as a team together, always forward. You know, trying to flank the enemy as much as possible.
Come. Oh shit.
Right here, I just start running. I saw the guy. As soon as I get out of it, trying to go get him, I see this other guy on the left, and I took him out real quick. Ran behind 2 shots. That's it. Keep running. And then I went behind him and got him. There you go. Couple shots. That's it. And right now it's really dark, but I got the guy. It was like 5:30 already. It was dark. Right here on this doorway, so there's another guy coming from the enemy team. He just comes running at us. I shot it once. So you can see it's really dark. Once again, like always, aggressive all the time, going forward, not staying back. Suppressive fire, even if you waste all your bullets, or your BBs, whatever you want to call it. Then right here, me and my friend, again, just telling him to give my sidearm. He ran out of bullets, or BBs. He's laying right there on the floor. Watch this. That was fun. Got the guy right there, but he got scared also. So that's it. So thank you for watching. Subscribe please, and have a nice day.